Okay, I'm super excited. I just got my TJBot Watson Maker Kit in the mail, and I'm going to film a little unboxing video. Let's open it up. It says to be careful. Check it out. Right. Very cool, the Watson Maker Kit, TJBot. IBM research. Okay. Wow. So exciting. Looks like we got a Raspberry Pi, 16 gig nudes. Check it out. There it is. And it comes with a mini USB. Connect to wire. Alright. Little LED. And we got a little card. It says, "Hi, my name is TJ. Let's start a cognitive adventure together. In an open source project to access Watson services in a fun way. You can use one of my recipes to bring me to life. Please visit ibm.biz/mytjbot to get started. I cannot wait to see what we can do together. Hashtag TJBot, your friend TJ." Very cool. So check out the website. And looks like we got a power cable too. Power supply. Nice. Can't wait to put it together and see what I can do with it. Follow me on Twitter at Seacat, and I will show you other videos of me putting it together, playing with it with some new recipes, and other fun things related to the bot.